Alright, welcome back to the channel. Thanks everyone for watching. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. We're at National Orlando Airport now on the B side. On a weekday it's about 1 p.m. or so here. Premier selection, we got an Audi and a Dodge Durango, Range Rover Discovery. So the Range Rover and the Durango have signs of 50 a day, and this Audi 75 a day. This must be a Q7, is it? Let's take a look, quick look here. Oh, I just missed it. A Wagoneer went through here. Yeah, it's Q7. On the other side, this is just taking a peek over an Enterprise here. We got a Durango and a Hemi Charger. Sorry, Challenger. Let's see if I can squeeze through here. On the other side, we got a GMC. It looks like GMC Denali and a Volvo S60. Got a Cherokee coming through here. And we'll just kind of walk through here. Okay, so we got Emerald Isle on the left. Let's just do that real quick here. Okay, so Emerald Isle, we got a Jeep Compass, Altima, Jeep Compass, Ford Escape, and there's the Emerald Isle. Got a Chevy Malibu LT, a Kia Soul, Toyota RAV4, got a Chrysler Pacifica minivan. This is all Emerald Isle. We got a Honda HR-V, Buick Encore, another Pacifica, Ford Escape, Ford Edge Titanium, Chevy Trax all-wheel drive, a Chevy Equinox, and there's a couple more down at the end, not too much. See another Ford Edge, not too much more down there. Okay, and then if we go over to the executive aisle, we got a Highlander. I think these Highlanders might be new. Somebody's pulling out the Pacifica. Okay, we won't go in there. Somebody's in that Highlander. This looks like a Mitsubishi. Well, that's one of these plug-in hybrid Outlanders. And we got another plug-in Pacifica here. We got a Dodge Grand Cherokee over here. And sorry, somebody's just getting in there. We got a new Pathfinder SV. We got a Nissan Murano SL. Chevy Equinox LT. Again, this is executive aisle here. We got a Camry SE on the Camry. You got Dodge Journey. Let's see how long this one's been around here. Let's take a quick look. At 26,000 miles. Got a Chevy Equinox. Again, this is the B side of Orlando on a weekday. Just a little afternoon here. We've got a Pacifica, two more Pacificas, and I'll just kind of scoot through. That's executive aisle here. Scoot through the other side here. This looks like full size. Got a Chevy Malibu. So typically the B side has been better, but usually the way it works, you can one of them will be closer to your gate when you land, but the B side does have a bigger lot, and in general has had a better selection, although I'm not sure about that today. We've got an Altima. These are just full size here, and it looks like they're parked in the right spot. Malibu LT, Camry, got a Sonata, another Camry, got a Nissan Altima, two of them, somebody's pulling out in a Charger, got an Impala, we got a Camry, a Silverado pickup truck parked in full size, we got a Chevy Malibu Altima, lots of Malibus and Altimas. Looks like we got a Kia Optima and a Camry. There's a ton of minivans down there. I won't bother taking you down there unless we end up over there for Enterprise. Premium, we got a Maxima. These are usually SV. Yeah, SV trim. We got a Volvo S60 B5. And we got a Infiniti Q50. We got a Q5. Audi, Cadillac XT5. Now we're moving into specialty. Another Cadillac XT5. It's one of those big Armadas, Nissan Armadas with a V8. Two of them here. One's actually both are in SL. Okay, so one of these is the newer one. I think the one on the left is the newer one. I could be wrong. We got a Tahoe under a large SUV. Infiniti all-wheel drive, QX80. We got another QX80. We got a Yukon Denali. And we got another Infinity QX80. So that, I think that's going to wrap it up for the B-side over at National. Thanks again for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to see more of these videos, hit that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, while I'm here on Monday at Orlando Airport, I thought I'd just do a quick walk down. Looks like they got cleaned out. I can hear more cars coming. But, yeah, let's just do a quick, just to kind of show you Monday early evening. Probably not the best time to be here, so it's pretty much empty. Everything in behind the executive aisle here.